girl Sandrizzy back again with another video for you. Today I'm going to show you guys my updated eyebrow routine whenever I'm trying to save my coins and make sure that I still look good. This is how I break it down with 3 little things that I know all of you beauties have at home. And if you don't and you're just a beginner, I will give you the cheapest options that you can have other than that eyebrow pomade, because that is such an investment that I know that you guys will enjoy. Make sure that you stay in tune. Hit that subscribe button right there, or is it right there? Either way, subscribe to your girl right now and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so that you can be updated when I post beautiful videos as such. If this is something that you are interested in, please continue to watch your girl, and here we go. It's time to start the slay. As you can see, my eyebrows need help. I'm about to make a video for you guys showing my eyebrow routine when it looks like that.
Fire, fire, fire. Baby on the track, yeah.
I tried to clean this up right here. So this will let me know, like, later on when I'm cleaning up my eyebrows again, your girl tried a little bit.
Baby on the track, yeah.
I'm going back in with this tool right here to, like, you know, get this little unibrow that I know you guys already peeped. And then, you know, I'm touching up the top, getting those little flyaways in here. You can see down here I want to be gone too, which means I'm gonna go up.
Baby on the track, yeah. Fire, 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 fire.
I'm going to be using the Ivy Storehouse makeup brushes that we got in the July box. I absolutely love these brushes right now. Sorors, if you're watching right now, make sure that you are subscribed to the Ivy Storehouse so you can get your Ivy box. So I'm just going to be moving my brush down just so that I can get our outlined look, but when it's time to blend, we're going to finesse it to be better. And with the top row, you know, as you can see, I'm going upwards with my brush just so that it's blending as I'm like patting the product in. So already you see our difference. Fell through, but this is my updated eyebrow routine. This is how you can definitely look this put together with just 3 little things. As always, my lovely, beautiful free spirits, be true, stay you, and I'm gonna keep it saying worst. Boo, wake up.